Hi, welcome to Gagajoy's Kitchen. It's a beautiful day here in Virginia, and we're going to be making cream chip beef. We've got 3 different things to put it on. It's very easy, and I know you've probably done it many times yourself. First of all, I have soaked my chip beef. I'm using 3, this is what I used. I'm using 3 jars of this, and I usually go by, if you're going to serve 2 people, 1 jar, 3 people, 1 jar. You know, I'm going to be serving 6 people, so I'm using 3 jars, and still probably will have some left over. I just cut it up in squares, if I can, and long pieces sometimes. It's just any way you like it. This has always been a treat. You know, you have sausage and gravy and bacon and gravy, but to us, cream chip beef is a treat. And I've already got my oven preheated, and I'm going to put my biscuits in, putting 6 biscuits in. Now I have to make the roux, and I'm using 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of flour when it gets melted. Have to go melt a little bit. Okay, my butter's melted. Now I'm going to put about 1/3 of a cup of flour in it to get it started. And it starts pretty quickly. And 1/3 more. Just finish it up. Now you don't want it to get brown or anything. This is just a white bechamel, and I'm going to put a little bit of milk in it to start with, about 1/2 cup. And I'm going to let it cut just a little bit to get that raw flour out of it. Okay, about 1 cup more. Just set it a little bit of time till you get the consistency that you like. One more cup for me. And the one thing you really lay down on is the black pepper. I'm going to go 2 tablespoons full at least. You don't put in salt because there's plenty of salt in the chip beef. Now I'm adding 1 more cup of milk, so in total I've added 4 cups of milk to this. 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of flour. Now I'm going to add my favorite ingredient is about a tablespoonful of Worcestershire. I heard the other day that Worcestershire is the hardest word in the English language to say, and I never I always thought oxygen was myself. Now see, that's still, I think, too thick. So I'm going to give it another cup. So that's 5 cups. And I'm going to add my chipped beef now. As you see, it's just a perfect mixture. It's just a good mixture of everything. Now my biscuits are still in the oven, and when the biscuits come out, we'll start eating. Well, our gravy is ready, our Pop-Tarts are ready, our toast, and our biscuits. So everybody can have all they want. And you can see the ratio to the gravy and the chipped beef is just perfect. Biscuits, and now our toast. And while it's good and hot, we're going to eat maybe a few tater tots or hash rounds, and breakfast will be over. We've had a good day today. Hope you have too, and we'll see you soon. And always remember the joy.